AI is absolutely everywhere. And whenever I start off a video saying that, I feel like such a granddad, like, oh, AI these days, crazy. But it really is. And Squarespace is on such a push right now to add it into every single place that they can. And honestly, I'm all for it. I joke about sounding like a granddad and even dressed like one, but it can only be good for the product. And one thing in particular that I only discovered recently is that you can use AI within Squarespace to write product descriptions. And I want to show you how to do that in this video because it's going to make your life so much easier. If you have an e-commerce store on Squarespace and one of the main bottlenecks for you is the creativity around like crafting the right product description and making sure it's obviously descriptive of the product itself, but then also SEO optimized to a degree. Obviously, AI can't completely replicate a human touch, but it just takes away all of that thinking. And so I want to go through that with you now. So you join me on the store here, and we've got a couple of products set up. So let's go into the basic package. If I click on the three dots here, and then I go into edit, you can see that we have the product description here. Obviously, this is just Squarespace's random stuff that they put in, so we can get rid of that. Now, you see Squarespace AI, which is an exceptionally clever name for Squarespace's AI. We click on this, and it's going to give you the spiel on how to use it, blah, blah, blah. So it's going to ask you, what do you need? So you need to tell it, let's say I have a basic package. Because this is a template, I have no idea what the package is, but this is a jug of water. So let's imagine we are selling a jug of water. So this product is a jug of water. It is made in, let's say, Peru, and it holds lots of water. Write a 50-word product description for this jug. Make it SEO optimized for luxury jugs from Peru that hold water. There we go. Now, I am not an AI prompting boffin, so you could probably write something a lot better, but we'll let it load up and you'll see now it's going to add in our product description here. So experience the elegance of this. In fact, I'm not going to read it all out for you because I'll bore you to death. But you can see that within, 15, 20 seconds, we've got an SEO optimized to a degree descriptive product description that does the job and takes the heavy lifting out of this part of the process for you. So once you're happy, hit save. If you want it to redo it, you can just say rewrite and it will rewrite it for you. But if you are happy, you hit save and your product now has a much better description than if you were to sit there and think about it 100 times over for all of the different products in your store. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, then get in touch using the links in the description.